Hi guys, today's video is going to be a hair review and like a little like styling video too, because clearly my hair is like a little limp right now, but we're gonna get that right together. So you guys, today's hair is from Allove Hair, and I'm excited that it's from this hair company because I've not worked with this hair company before, but I purchased my own hair from this hair company, and then they reached out to me and was like, we want to send you hair for a review, and I was like, so you guys, we're here, okay? So the wig they sent me is a lace frontal wig. It was 22 inches. I kind of like cut the ends a teeny bit blunt, but not really. So you know, I took a little bit of a couple inches off, and when it came, it was just in this box. I didn't do an install video or unboxing, but it just came in this box. The wig was in this bag. First and foremost, the box super duper cute. Like, I absolutely love it. Then you know, it just came with their little card. It says Allovehair. Wow, open with surprise. Open with surprise. What that mean? What that mean? Oh, cute. It just say thank you, and like you can do something to get a free gift. It came with like little pair of lashes. I don't even wear lashes no more. But and then it came with wig cap, but I have a bunch of wig caps here, so I'll just use my own, and I didn't even realize it. But anyway, like I said, the box is super cute. So I installed this wig the other day. I'm going to leave the specs of the wig down below. I'll be sure to check that out. Now, I'm about to style this hair so I can give it a little bit more oomph and a oomph and a oomph. But in dealing with this hair, there's no shedding. The hair is super duper soft. I like actually installed this hair. For the most part, the hair has a pretty good density, I would say. Like, it's okay. It's like not too thin, but it's not like super duper thick. So yeah. So y'all, I'm gonna show y'all the type of styling I'm gonna do. So what I did was, that piece of hair would like, okay, I don't want that to mess me up, because it will mess me up. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my flat irons, and I'm gonna do this. Now wait, y'all think I'm curling my hair, right? But what I'm gonna do is like, I'm gonna do this, wait for it. Then I kind of just hold it for a second, and then I kind of just like let it fall. You see how like the curl is in the middle, and then on the end I like do this. I just straighten the end. I don't know if y'all been seeing this hairstyle lately on Instagram, but when it's all like said and done, it's like really like fluffy and like pretty, you know. So sorry y'all, my phones are going off, but as you can see, like there's like a little curl. It kind of gets better when I go up, so but yeah, I really like how that hairstyle looks. Just it gives vibe. It gives a vibe. Okay, so let me see. So then I'm gonna just show y'all what I do. Literally, what you're basically doing is just curling the top of the hair and like the middle, and then I leave the end out, let it sit for a little bit, and see, you see that, and then I straighten the end, so it's like the hair at the end is not like, you know, all over the place. So I just keep doing that. That's what I do, and then we gonna see the final and the finished look. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. I'm gonna let y'all watch me, and yeah, it really don't take a lot to do this. You literally are just like flipping the hair. Okay, y'all, I am back, and as you can see, my hair is not like limp now. It's very much so. It has body, body, body. Okay, y'all see it, y'all see it. It looks so pretty. I think I'm gonna just run my hands through it just a little bit, because I want the curls to like stay in and, you know, just look real cute or whatever. But as you can see, I did kind of like curl my hair in a sense, and the hair does curl very, very nicely. It holds the curl very well. It even straightens very well, like just at the bottom. And I absolutely really do love this hair. It has a great feel to it, like really soft and just pretty. It's pretty. Oopsie. But yeah, y'all, mother just get my hot comb and just like, no. It's all about the hot comb action too. The hot comb action is everything, y'all. It's everything. It just give you that look, y'all. So y'all, with doing that, and like I had this hair in for about maybe like 2 or 3 days. I received it not too long ago, and it's been holding up really well. I think the day I got it, I put it in and I wore it to sleep. It's been good. I just tie it up at night. I'm sorry for the noise. I can't do nothing about it. But y'all, I really love this hair. I am so thankful that Allovehair sent me this. Thank you again, Allovehair. It just makes me so happy. But yeah, y'all, this hair is super duper pretty. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't know the price, but from my experience, when I bought my own Allovehair, the hair was very affordable, so I'm pretty sure that this is affordable as well. So yeah, y'all, go check them out. This wig is it, y'all, and I needed a wig because I ain't had one right at the moment, and I needed something new, and it just came right in time. So I'm absolutely in love. I hope you guys, you know, love the hairstyle I did as well. And yeah, y'all, be sure to check the link in the description. Go check out Allovehair, y'all. They got some good hair. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, my lovelies.